So hi guys, are you? Um, Basically, this video is going to be about the new Saas tool that we created, and it's going to be live in like officially in a few days, I believe, right? So yeah, let's talk about that. This is basically a landing page that for us, right? It's not finalized yet, but yeah, it's a basic platform where content creation is going to be automated. It's going to be through AI, right? So it's going to be a lot of help for influencers, for content creators, for various platforms, right? Doesn't matter which. And not only that, but for companies who create these kind of short form contents, right? As stories, maybe just for entertaining purposes, doesn't matter, right? So let's hit on login, right? It will redirect us to our main platform, right, where you can use the tool. And for now, we just have the sign with Google Auth. We'll update that, uh, right? So yeah, after we are signed in, we have all these options, right? We directly navigated to the video page, but yeah, these are the credits that we have. This is like my dev account, so yeah, I have 9,000 credits, but for sign up initially, you have 30 credits, right? These are the videos, dashboard, a script generator. This will be a free to use tool that will be made live. And we have a billing section where you can add as many credits as you want, and just a simple settings page, right? And for a particular video, you can just see it like this. Each scene, you can re-edit and put a particular image by changing its prompt, clicking on save, right? It will be regenerated.
During
This will
World
give the
War
radio a video and you can download it. And not just vertical aspect, you can create new videos with different aspect ratios. You can change the font highlights, right? Like this for this it's black, but you can, yeah, definitely change it, right? Then you can, after you change this, definitely you'll have to regenerate. Like if I click on orange, I'll have to regenerate the video, wait for it, and then yeah, it'll be updated. So yeah, that's how the app works. The next feature we are working on is in development right now. So like this is the development, like my local running, right? So this sharing feature is something that we want to add on, right? So right now these three links are working, like, but I'm not logged into any of these platforms right now, so it won't work. But yeah, like I can share the link to the from of this video in a post. I can do this for all these platforms. But what we want to do is to automate the process of uploading this video on YouTube, right? So that a user can directly upload their YouTube shorts from here, right? So, and for that, we do need some extra scopes that are sensitive. We know that, and we are waiting for our app to be verified, right? And this is the Google Cloud Console. Like we have a QuickMake project, right? The client ID and so on, right? We are waiting for the verification, right? We after that after that we can, yeah, directly upload to YouTube. We'll work on that, and before we go live, definitely this will be a feature that we wanna uh, you know put together. So that's a short intro about QuickMake, a new SaaS that we are planning to launch soon, right? So hope you guys liked it, and let me know what you feel about it. Is it a good idea? And if you want to try it out, just email me on any social or EM someone on my team. And yeah, let's see how it goes. Thanks for watching.